In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payment in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to enable credit card processing, record a customer payment, and make sure the transaction is correctly tracked as a credit card payment. Let's begin by confirming that credit card payments are enabled in your company settings. In QuickBooks Online, open the gear icon in the upper right to access account and settings, then go to the Payments section. Turn on credit card payments and follow any prompts to connect your payments account if you haven't done that yet. While you're there, verify the bank account where deposits should land and review which card types you accept. Taking a moment to check these details now helps avoid issues later, like payments going to the wrong account or transactions being declined. If you don't see the credit card option, make sure you have the right user permissions and that QuickBooks Payments is available for your region and subscription. Once payments are enabled, head to the Receive Payment screen. You can get there from the New button, the Get Things Done page, or from the Sales area under Customers. Receive Payment is the right workflow when you're collecting money for an existing invoice because it automatically applies the payment and updates that invoice's balance. On the Receive Payment form, start by selecting the customer. If the customer has open invoices, choose the one you're being paid for so QuickBooks can apply the amount correctly. Enter the payment date and the amount received. You can add a reference number if you were given one, and choose where to deposit the funds. Many businesses select undeposited funds if they plan to group multiple payments into a single bank deposit later. Otherwise, you can direct it to your checking account. Now, set the payment method to credit card. If the customer has a card saved on file, you can use it. Otherwise, enter the card details securely as prompted. Double-check the billing address and postal code since those help reduce declines. Before you process, review the form for accuracy. Customer, invoice selection, amount, date, and deposit account. When everything looks good, choose Save and Process or Save and Close. QuickBooks records the transaction, marks the invoice as paid, and routes the funds to the account you selected. Depending on your setup, processing fees will appear in your payments reports. That's all there is to it. You enabled credit card payments, used the Receive Payment workflow, and recorded the payment with credit card as the method. If you don't see the credit card option later, return to settings to confirm it's still enabled. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to confidently accept credit card payments in QuickBooks.